Hi, welcome to Chad, her YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the rear signal light bulb on a 2010 Toyota Prius. Sorry about the mess in my car. Let's get to it. This is what we'll be replacing today. The rear rise signal light bulb inside. First, you'll need to remove the plastic cover to the light bulb's compartment here. The orange knob you see here on the screen is the rear signal light bulb that we'll be replacing. To remove the light bulb, just simply turn the orange knob counterclockwise, then pull it out. Then carefully pull out the light bulb from its socket. And simply replace it with a new light bulb from your local auto shop. Be sure to buy the correct replacement for your vehicle. Carefully insert it firmly back to the electrical base like so. Then put the light bulb back through the hole in the wall and turn it clockwise to lock in its original place. That's it. That's how you replace the rear signal light bulb on a 2010 Toyota Prius. Hope this helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Chad, her YouTube channel for more videos like this.